Hi guys, this is Kimmy Yangs and welcome to my YouTube channel. Well, today I've got a special unboxing. It's the newest addition to my tech collection, and I didn't have the patience to go back home and unbox this, but yes, this is my office space, and I just thought let's go ahead and unbox this beauty that is right in front of us. Well, today we'll be looking at the Beoplay H95 or the Bang & Olufsen H95 ANC headphone right here. As you can see, it's in a very stunning and very heavy duty outer casing, which is sealed up quite well. This is actually the navy blue shade, and without further much to say, let's go right in and see what's in the box and have a quick teaser into how this headphone looks. Right, so this is the flagship headphone of the company, and this is commemorating the 95 years of serving the music industry for the brand. And as you can see, they've got a very well planned way of unboxing this unit. I'm getting a bit uncivilized in my unboxing, but anyways. Right, now you can actually see the proper navy blue shade of the outer casing, and we've got one more very delicate tape that we need to rip out. There you go. That's how precise Bang & Olufsen is about the unboxing of the headphones. So now, time to, wow, everything is navy blue about this. The outer casing, and this is so nice to hold. You actually have my fingerprints coming on the case itself, and very heavy duty metallic box. It's not as big as people made it sound when it comes to traveling actually with your carry-on luggage, but yes, I mean, if you have headphones as premium as these are, it would be advisable to have it in a good hard case so that you keep these protected. What else is in the box before we actually go into the main event? Well, you've got, oh, that's very nice, you've got a microfiber cloth, which I'm guessing is for the cleaning of the headphones, right there. And then you've got what might be a welcome letter, I guess, by Bang & Olufsen. Yes, that's the care guide, that's the quick start guide, and then you've got other important information about the headset itself. So the H95 actually gets 3-year warranty, and in the quick start guide you can actually see how to turn it on, the gesture controls that they have, downloading the app itself, the swipe functions, the volume rocker switches, as well as the ANC rocker switches, and transparency mode, of course. So you've got the active noise cancellation and the transparency mode right there. You've got the voice assist, and basically how you answer your calls and everything. So this is just a quick start guide. With this done, let's go in and check the box itself. Before I do that, okay, this is the quick care leaflet, which says your Beoplay H95 are made with natural and premium materials like leather and aluminium. Variations in color, texture and feel are not false but examples of the uniqueness of these materials. To ensure they retain their beauty over time, we recommend that you look after your Beoplay H95 and treat the materials attentively. Included in the box is a soft cleaning cloth to care for your product. So yes, all said and done. Well, let's go in and unbox the beauty. All right, here we go. Woohoo! There you have it. These really beautiful and premium looking headphones. there is a fair bit of weight that you feel on the earlobes, on the lobes of the headset itself, but it feels so premium, you know, just the way the thing flexes. And here you've got the left and the right ear cups, navy blue. I actually like this shade. It's a break from, you know, the usual black and whites that we get to see on so many other brands. So trying it on for the first time. Wow, the noise isolation just as is without switching the headphone on is brilliant. And considering the claims that Beoplay makes that without ANC you can actually get up to 50 hours of playback, it's quite interesting. Otherwise, with the ANC on, you get about 39 hours of playback time, which I think is exceptionally long for a device at this value. So this is all premium leather and lambskin material, but if you actually go to see, you've got these small little wrappings that you take out, obviously because you'll be requiring the gesture controls. You've got your rocker switches, like I said earlier. You've got the swipe buttons, the swipe functions there. Besides the headphones themselves, what else is in the box? Well, you've got, okay, so here you've got another thank you letter by Bang & Olufsen, and they say a celebration of our 95-year passion for excellence in sound, design and craftsmanship. We believe timeless design deserves long-lasting craftsmanship. Your new headphones have been created with attention to detail and carefully selected materials to provide exceptional sound, enduring comfort and truly effective and adjustable noise cancellation. Apologies for that. Anyways, so you've got your in-flight adapter, which will come in handy on those Emirates flights. You've got the 3.5mm jack or the 3.5mm cable, which you can use when you don't want to use your headphones wirelessly. And then you've got your USB A to USB Type-C data charging cable, which always comes in handy. All of this is braided, very high quality, very premium quality. And just look at, you know, the texture of the box itself. You know, it just oozes class, quality, premiumness, and obviously at a price point that demands that kind of quality from a brand like Bang & Olufsen. Anyways, with all said and done, it's now time to just fire up these headphones and see or feel how they sound. So interestingly, as soon as I switched on the headphones themselves, both my tablet and the mobile, that's the S22 Ultra, picked it up, and we were able to pair it with both the tablet as well as the phone. Of course, since I'm shooting on the mobile right now, I'm actually pairing it just to the tablet itself. And let's see how the F1 theme song plays on this beauty. So right now I've got my volume rockers here. So this is how you increase the volume. Exceptional sound quality. The audio signature was on a different level altogether. And this is just with having, you know, the noise cancellation at a very minimal. As you guys could see in the video, I was playing around with the adaptive ANC, trying to check various adaptive noise cancellation levels that this headset has to offer, and I must say it's quite interesting. Of course, if you guys would be interested in knowing my review of the Beoplay H95, then please do let me know, and I will try my best and review this flagship headset by Beoplay probably after a couple of months of use, since I will be using this for my upcoming travel as well as for watching some videos and movies on OTT platforms. Anyways, this brings me to the end of the unboxing of the Beoplay H95 adaptive noise cancellation headset. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Apologies for mistakes made, if any, and please like, share, comment, subscribe. I will be leaving my social media links or my presence on other social media channels in the description, so please do connect with me if you would like to on those. Hopefully you guys are staying safe. The days of the pandemic are still not over, and take care of yourself, guys. You will be having a lot more content to see and behold on my YouTube channel, so please do support me on this journey, and I hope I'm able to bring you quality content in the upcoming months as well. So take care, guys, stay safe, and God bless you all.